Hello, folks and professionals. Let's welcome back another important tip. Okay. So, different ways to select a field value quickly in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. I would like to show you the ways which I know to copy from SAP data to, Word document or any other document. For example, I'm just taking this one. Okay. This is a customer. You can take any data for that matters. Okay. I'm just entering this one. This is the sales order. For example, I would like to copy this description. Sometimes the description might be like, lengthy. Okay. For example, if you take material text that is lengthy, so you can press the control key and, drag with your mouse or laptop pad for selection. So you can able to select like this, or else you can say control or control C. Okay. For this, so let's go and copy here in Word document. This is way one. Okay, so you just select the field and say Control R. I will show you another one. So if you double click, it will go. So like if you do single click, okay. So suppose if you do only one click, okay. So for example, okay. So press Control from your keyboard and give a single click. Okay. So this will select you. Okay. This is the second way. That means press Control and release the control. Okay. This is another way. So I will show you third important way. Let me show you one more time. So Control and just click. Okay. So this is how it will be. The selection will happen. Okay. Or else Control A. There is another way. So now you are doing controls copying you are doing, right? Copying it will not happen. Copy paste also, if you want it, just select it. So go to this one, options. Okay. You see this quick cut and paste. Okay. Once do control, automatically it will be copy, cut, paste also will happen. Okay. This is another shortcut. These are the three ways you can able to select the data. Here, the data is smaller, okay? But certain cases, you will have this text will be like, for example, this number is there. This is 8 digits are there. So drag and drop here and there, somewhere it is missing. For example, if you select this and simply go here, okay? Options, and within that, quick cut paste. So now press Control and just do. Simply it is selected. You need not Control V. You need not, one step will be reduced. You need not Control C, you need not select it. Just Control and double click, it will be selected. That means it will be copy and it will be ready for paste also. So two steps will happen automatically. Okay. So you can able to give a try. If you want it, if you have a doubts, you let me know. This is my YouTube channel. So currently holding 700 plus videos. Don't worry about this tip, like small tips which I know. I would like to transfer the knowledge here. If you like this video, you can like it, and please subscribe my Udemy courses. If you are SAP SD consultant, so around 20 plus courses available. You can able to choose according to your learning level. Thank you so much. Have a great day.